guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading!
Hey everyone, this is chapter 27, titled Ching Ching's Choice. Let's start reading. No! Let go of me. Curtis was just concerned of you, girl. Why didn't you slap him? My stomach feels horrible. Does it hurt? See? Tinanong niya pa kung masakit yung kamay mo pag sampal mo sa kanya. I need to rinse my mouth. I need to wash my face. I have blood everywhere on my body. I can't stand it. Jorte ito. Ikaw na nga tinutulungan ni Curtis eh. Puts down. Why can't I wash off this smell of eggs? Ching Ching, if you're done, let's keep going. Curtis, hand me over to the Hulk. In your dreams. Even if you don't care about your body, I won't be able to make it. Such as excretion. What's excretion? The herd will have to rest too. I'll rest only when they do. You'll drink animal blood these days. You should excrete very less that way. Why? If you love me, you can court me properly without danger. Can you send me back to the village, please? I can still meet you there. You're mine and only mine. I won't allow you to have other males. Don't even think about going back to the village. No, I only need one partner anyways. If I pick you, I won't pick anybody else. Say no more. I won't let you go back. Kahit pagod na si Curtis, ano? I hear waves. We'll be safe in 3 days at most. Pagod na talaga siya eh. Ching Ching. Pati si Ching Ching pagod na eh. Gutom na yan. Ito kasi si Mir eh. Mir pala si Mir. You'll kill her. Ikaw kasing dahilan. You're the one who caused all of this. You won't be able to escape. The horde has already split into 3 groups. They're all converging on your position right now. Unless you can run out of this in one breath, you won't survive this. Clenches. Oh. Shh. It doesn't hurt. Keep sleeping. You're coming, Curtis. What's your plan? Crap. They're almost near you. Give her to me. Do you want to die along with her? Oh, here comes the horde. What are we going to do? Curtis? Curtis, what are you doing? Close his eyes. I'll send you to the hawk. I can walk once we get out of the horde. We'll all survive. And you can come find me at the village. Wait, what are you doing? Seriously, Curtis? What are you doing? It can't be. Does he want to rape me at the last minute? Don't do this. No. This is the time that he, uh, Mark, uh, Ching Ching, right? Yeah. What? Passes. Take her. I'll come find you. Right, let's see what will happen in the next part. Hello everyone, this is chapter 28 titled Wanna Be Your Male Too. Let's continue reading. That's the Colossals. So they're on top of the mountain. Of course, he's a hawk. You'll be fine. The feral isn't here anymore. Were you that hawk? Yes. Thank you. Do you not blame me? For what? I made you suffer and you almost died from fleeing the horde. Wasn't all to rescue me? Why should I blame you? You're really smart to think of a plan like that. I'm Bai Ching Ching. What's your name? I'm Mir. Mir ba? Mir, more? Basta ganun. Kayo na bahala magpasa niyan. Ito din kasi sa aloof din kasi to siya eh. I can't believe I didn't die from Curtis' bite. His teeth are so long. Should I thank my breast for their volume? Do you may imagine? Are you cold? Wait here and don't move. I'll move some rocks here to block the wind. Puts down. Sure. Mayor, do you have any news of Parker? He's a leopard. I. Here comes Parker. Ouch, that hurts. Of course, Parker misses her so much. He's the first male beast he met in this beast world. Get up, it hurts if you press down like that. Oh, how did you find me? I followed the horde. They're below this cliff, so I guess that you were on top of it. Did that snake bully you? Let me see. Huh? I can tell Parker that Curtis bit my chest. He'll definitely rip my clothes away to see. I want to be your male too. What do you mean by two? Let's talk about romance and stuff when we get back to the village, okay? You have these marks on you, so I want to leave marks on you too. These are spousal markings? Does this mean that Curtis and I are already partners? I'm only 16. Mom and Dad will kill me if they found out. Yes, you can. So, can we please reproduce when you get better? I want to become your male. I don't want to. Why? That hurt. I don't want anyone. Siguro akala niya magiging ano pag nakagat. Let's check the next chapter. Hello everyone, this is chapter 29 titled Jealousy. Let's continue reading. I heard that it only hurts for a female when it's her first time. Afterwards, it won't. So, drawing is change again. The art. I don't want to. For now, I don't want a partner. Not you, not anyone. Ching ching. Yung si Parker na to. Ito naman si Mer. You're going bit overboard there. O, di ba? Nagbago yung art dito. Gumanda. Ito yung naaalala kong art talaga before sa chapter 1's mga first part. Ganitong ganito yun eh. Bakit kaya nag-change, no? A more powerful triple mark beast. Enough. We should think of a way to escape from those colossals first. Ano naman? How am I supposed to get rid of this smell? The stench of colossal king's egg will naturally dissipate in months' time. Choco. Problema nitong Parker. I was wondering why there would be a horde in this time of the year. You were the one who stole the king's egg and even threw it on Ching Ching's head. You almost killed her, you know? Oo nga, si Mer yung dahilan eh. Pero maganda yung tricks niya. I'm fine, aren't I? If it weren't for Mer, I'd still be with Curtis. Coils. If you were likely to die, I would have rather had you stay with that snake safely. Okay, but I'm fine, so everything's alright. I've barely eaten anything for days, so I'm really hungry. Can you find some things for me to eat? Sure, I'll go right away. I'll go. I'm faster. No, let me take care of my own female. By the time you make it down the cliff, I'd already come back. Protect the female here. I'll go hunt. Sorry for troubling you again. It's fine. Turns around. Condescending? Condescending? Whoa. You're just a big cat in the end. Why don't you be my big brother instead? Big brother. O kasi 16 lang kasi siya, di ba? I really do seem to just be taking advantage of you. I eat your food and live under your roof, yet I don't sleep with you. Parker! Naantok na eh. Pagod na. You must be tired. Take a nap. Hindi ba may pahang? Daming fruits. The stupid leopard clearly didn't do anything, but he's got the best chance with a female. His luck really grinds my gears. Opens. You're back. Pinapakain niya. Hoot hoot. Shh. He's really tired. We shouldn't wake him up. Can't he change back into his human form? Eat some fruit. I'll cook some meat for you. Di ba ang ganda na ng pagka-drawing ni Mer dito tsaka ni Ching Ching. Thanks. It's really tasty. I'll cook some meat. Chicken. Di ba napaka-ironic? Flatter. Males in the wild are way too shameless. They don't have any conscience to cover up at all. Pero syempre lagi sila nag-change eh. Anyway, that's the end of this chapters. Let's see what will happen in the next one. But please, let's go check the next one. Hi everyone, this is chapter 30 titled Three Slept in One Place. Let's continue. Simmer is cooking. I'll help you. No need. There's a draft. You shouldn't come out. Sorry for troubling you. Then I'm really sorry for having you do so much when we don't even know each other. It is expected for males to take care of females. Why aren't there good men like this in my own world? I'm almost reluctant on leaving. Ayaw na niyang umalis. Sarap. Parang gusto ko ng lechong manok ah. Here. Laki-laki niyan. Wings lang binigay mo. Have some. I don't have salt on me, so the taste may be a little bland. So alam niya. Pampalasa. Thank you. I bet it tastes just as good as it smells. Don't look. Don't look. I can't be rude. Yeah, what's wrong with him? Nahiya kaya umalis. Okay. So it's nighttime. It's time for them to rest. But he's still on an alert. Should I tell Murray to come in and sleep? But he might misunderstand. Masyado kasi siyang mabait eh. It's really late. Come in to sleep. Tightens up. Nani? He really did misunderstand, but he was the one who set up this tent. If he doesn't come in, I would feel terrible. Please don't misunderstand. I didn't mean anything weird. It's cold outside and I don't want you to get sick. Of course, well, lalapit niya na siya. Walks past. Napaka-snob niya talaga, no? Hindi na aloof. Siyempre, doon siya sa, malapit na sa kanya. Kay Parker talaga siya lalapit. Siya yung mas kilala na niya eh. Stretches. Ching ching. Cuddling a female is the best. That sound. Huh? He slept in here too? Alright, that's the end of this chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.